So this is a classic Kabe van, 740 LGB. It costs 106,000 euros and it is 740 centimeters long, and the width, 241 centimeters in width. Oh, that is wide. Can't say it particularly looks as though it's that wide. Well, it's on a Fiat, as you can see, and it's quite dark, but that's the way Kabe do things. And you know, if this is the sort of dark style that you like, if this is what you like, then it might be suitable. But if you think it's too dark, then you're gonna have to look for a different manufacturer, because this is the way they do things. Now you see this German layout here, sort of pull out, and you've got the thing in here. So nicely slides out. Oh yes, that was so easy, and I compare that to how difficult it is in some of the cheaper brands. Of course, those cheaper brands cost half the price, nearly. 3 burners up here, stacks of room, big sink, storage down there. In here you've got a relatively large washroom. You can sit on there whilst you're doing your feet, or you can washing your feet, or you can sit on the toilet and doing your feet. This is what I do anyway, because I haven't got a ledge like that in my van. Yeah, very nice, very attractive. Let's have a look on the outside. So, storage. Well, that's for your gas. And here we've got the garage. Stack of space in there as well, isn't there? Oh, this certainly is. Yep. This would suit me. So, Kabe is the largest Scandinavian producer of RVs, and other than this, they also do campervans, which also cost 6 figures on the Mercedes base, and caravans, and I've no idea how much they cost, and because I haven't bothered looking. So, this is the Kabe Classic. It is, however, 241 centimeters wide, Travel Master. Which in my opinion is possibly, well, certainly is too wide for me, and it's probably too wide for most people to be comfortable with, unless you're a lorry driver. Anyway, thanks for watching.